Hello and welcome to Sierra Make. It is officially 2021. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year!
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upcycle some old towels into sweatbands for the most common New Year's resolution, which is to exercise more. But before we do that, I want to look back on this past year, do a few shout outs, and tell you about my goals for 2021. So first, looking back on this past year, I got my computer right here with all of these stats. My first video was posted May 29th. It was the gluten-free cheesecake video. Since then, I have made 50 videos, which is absolutely crazy to me. My top performing video of the year is the making a frog stuffed animal from TikTok video, which has over 2,000 views.
Wow!
As of filming this video, I have just over 300 watch time hours and just under 300 subscribers, which is a lot. Really, really weird to think that 300 people have subscribed to my channel, so thank you very, very much. And as a thank you, I want to do a few shout outs. So here are the shout outs for the loyal commenters. These are people who have commented on so many of my videos. I'm just going to pop some of their comments and their names up here. Aditi Creations, Global Crochet, Knitting and Beads, Vites. I might be botching all of these names up. I'm super sorry. Decreto, Bella Line Dance, C. Corret, and JC Haven. Thank you very much for commenting on so many of my videos. I love it. I love to see you guys pop up again and again, even if it's just a single word or an emoji. It makes me super happy to see you come back. Next shout out is for my supportive subscribers. That would be Jazzy Unicorn Squad, Filipina Wife Abroad, Julia's Craft Room, and Mid Artsy Crafty. These channels leave such sweet comments on my videos. They're always so thoughtful, and they make me smile every single time I read them, which is really, really nice. So thank you. And finally, I just want to do a few shout outs for some really interesting channels that I've come across. They either have like super cool niches, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm having trouble talking today, or they have just really, really amazing videos and editing skills. So those channels would be Joe Hamilton, Art Meow, Embroidery 101, and I Love Ice Cream. So feel free to check out all of the channels I just mentioned, and thank you again to everybody who's commented, subscribed, watched one of my videos. And now I just want to let you in on some of my goals for 2021. I am hoping to double the amount of subscribers and watch hours I currently have. I mean, like most YouTubers, my ultimate goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But I'm hoping by the end of this year that I double the subscribers I have and watch hours, so 600 subscribers and 600 watch hours. And when that happens, I plan on doing a giveaway. So that's a little bit of incentive for you guys. I plan on doing a giveaway of maybe one of the creations that I've made in one of these videos, or something new. I haven't quite decided yet. It'll probably be something I've made in one of these videos. Anyways, so if you want to help me reach this goal, please share my channel with your friends who also enjoy making things, and comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe, obviously, and also let me know in the comments down below what you want to see me make, because I really, really want to know what you guys are interested in seeing. Or, you know, if you just enjoy getting a random surprise on whatever video I've decided to make next. So just let me know down below what your thoughts are. because I would love to be able to make something that you guys recommend. And yeah. Anyways, now that we have covered all of that, it is time to make some upcycled sweatbands for your New Year's resolutions. Let's go! So the main thing you need for this project is an old towel. I have a pile here. Some of them have stains on them. Some of them I took from a lost and found because they were there for so long. So I think I'm going to use this light and dark blue striped towel because I've already cut it for a different project. You are also going to need some thread that matches the color of your fabric. So since my fabric has 2 different colors, I'm going to use 2 different colors of thread. And lastly, you need some wide strips of elastic. Per usual, all of the materials are down in the description below. So first, I am going to cut out 2 strips from this fabric. They're going to be 4 inches wide and 14 inches long. 14 inches long just because that's the extent that the 2 blocks of color go. So that's how long I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to take that second strip and cut it in half so that I get 2 4x7 pieces, and each of these is going to be a wristband. So now we're going to take these rectangles and fold them in half and sew along the outer edge. There we go. Now we flip them inside out. It was pretty hard to flip them inside out because the towel isn't really that stretchy, but then I realized I could use a ruler to kind of shove the fabric through, so that's what I did at the end. So now that we have our towel tubes, it's time to put on the elastic. So I'm using a elastic strip that is 1.5 inches wide and 8.5 inches long for the headband piece. And we're going to take the longer tube, which is going to be the headband, obviously, and we're going to fold in the inside so there's no raw edges and shove that elastic strip inside of our tube. And then we're just going to sew along the top of there to set it in place. Don't forget to do the same for the wristbands as well, except for the wristbands it will be a 3-inch long piece of elastic. So once one side is sewn on and it's secure, we're just going to go over to the other side and fold in that raw edge and place the other side of the elastic through and sew that down. Here is our first wristband sweatband done. Look at that, putting it on, and it fits great. So now it's time to move on to the headband sweatband. Here's a little reminder, I am going to switch out the color of thread that I'm using because before I was using the lighter to sew the light side of the fabric, and now I'm going to switch to the darker thread color to sew the dark side of the fabric. There's the headband done. Now for the last wristband, which is done. So we will just try it on to make sure it fits, and it does. Fantastic. And here they are, our sweatbands. 2 wristbands and a headband. Let's put them on real fast. What do you think? Honestly, these look really cool, but I kind of feel like I need to change. So give me a second. There we go. Hold on. Let's go outside so that you can see this full outfit. Yep. Something about these sweatbands just make me feel like I'm in an 80s workout video.
Now twist. 2, woo! 5, 6, 7.
Anyways, enough of that. I hope you all have a happy and healthy new year. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next Friday at 3. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Frog animal. Wait, a stuffed animal. Making a frog stuffed animal. That's what it is. You can hear someone walking in the headbands and sweatbands and... Wait, what? Okay.